The Perixx Periboard-512 Ergonomic Split Keyboard is a unique and highly functional addition to any workspace. Its unconventional shape might catch your eye, but it's this very design that delivers an exceptional typing experience. At approximately 19 inches long and a little over 9 inches deep, the Periboard is a sizable keyboard, so having adequate desk space is a must. Once set up, its ergonomic split design helps reduce wrist strain and promotes a more natural hand position during use. This keyboard comes equipped with an integrated palm rest, offering additional support for your wrists during extended typing sessions. The palm rest, combined with the split layout, is designed to minimize the strain and discomfort that often accompanies long hours of typing. The keys are laser printed, ensuring that the lettering remains intact even with heavy usage, a thoughtful touch that highlights the product's durability. One standout feature of the Periboard-512 is the row of multimedia keys conveniently placed at the top of the keyboard. These allow for quick access to 7 essential functions, including browsing, email, volume adjustment, mute, sleep mode, and search. These shortcuts can help streamline your workflow and make everyday tasks more efficient. The build quality is robust, and the keyboard feels solid during use. The keystrokes are responsive and well-suited for both casual and professional typing needs. While it may lack some of the premium features found in higher-end ergonomic keyboards, such as customizable lighting or wireless connectivity, the Periboard focuses on delivering comfort and practicality at an affordable price point. Overall, the Perixx Periboard-512 Ergonomic Split Keyboard is an excellent choice for those seeking an ergonomic solution without sacrificing essential functionality. Its durable design, integrated palm rest, and useful multimedia keys make it a reliable option for anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience while maintaining a healthy posture. If you have the desk space to accommodate its larger size, this keyboard is well worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.